Classical encryption techniques. A classical encryption technique is an opposed to modern cryptography. The goals of these classical encryption techniques are: it is used to introduce basic concepts and terminology of encryption. Also, it is used to prepare us for studying modern cryptography. Basic terminology. Plain text. It is an original message to be encrypted. Ciphertext. This is an encrypted message. Enciphering or encryption. It is a process of converting plain text into ciphertext. Encryption algorithm. It is used to perform encryption. There are two inputs are used here. First one is the plain text, second one is the secret key. This diagram that represents the symmetric cipher model. This one is the plain text input, and the plain text input is sent to the encryption algorithm, that is DES. This one is the secret key which is shared between the sender and the recipient. So this is the transmitted ciphertext which is received by the receiver. By using the decryption algorithm, the ciphertext is converted to the plain text. Finally, the receiver got the plain text. Here also secret key which is shared by the both the sender and the recipient. Deciphering or decryption. Recovering plain text from ciphertext. Decryption algorithm. It performs decryption. It using two inputs, ciphertext and secret key. Secret key, the same key used for encryption and decryption. This one is also referred to as a symmetric key. Cipher or cryptographic system. It is a scheme for encryption and decryption. Cryptography. It is a science of studying ciphers. Cryptanalysis. Science of studying attacks against cryptographic systems. Cryptology. Cryptology plus cryptanalysis. It is a cryptology. Ciphers. Symmetric cipher. Same key that is used for encryption and decryption. First one is a block cipher. It encrypts a block of plain text at a time, typically 64 or 128 bits. Stream cipher. It encrypts data 1 bit or 1 byte at a time. Asymmetric cipher. Different keys used for encryption and decryption. Symmetric encryption or conventional secret key, single key. The sender and recipient share a common key. All classical encryption algorithms are symmetric. The only type of cipher prior to the invention of asymmetric key cipher in 1970s by far most widely used. Symmetric encryption mathematically. So y is equal to e base x of x, e base k of x, or y is equal to e of k comma x. X is equal to d base k of y, or x is equal to d of k comma y. Here capital X is a plain text, capital Y is a ciphertext, capital K is the secret key, E is the encryption algorithm, D is the decryption algorithm. Both E and D are known to public. Cryptanalysis. The objective of this cryptanalysis is to recover the plain text of a ciphertext, or more typically to recover the secret key. Kirchhoff's principle. The adversary knows all details about a crypto system except the secret key. Here two general approaches are used. First one is the brute force attack and the second one is non-brute force attack. Brute force attack. Try every key to decipher the ciphertext. On the average, need to try half of all possible keys. and time needed proportional to size of the key space. This one is the sum of the key sizes, that is represented in bits, and this one is the number of alternative keys, and this one is the time required at 1 decryption and time required at 10 power 6 decryptions. Key size bits 32 bit, 2 power 32 is equal to 4.3 into 10 power 9. So 2 power 3 31 microseconds is equal to 35.8 minutes. So for 10 power 6 time required is 2.15 milliseconds. Like that 56 bits. Totally they are using 10.01 hours. For 128 bits it requires 5.4 into 10 power 18 years. For 168 bits it requires 5.9 into 10 to the power of 30 years. In 26 characters permutation, so 26 permutation 4 into 10 to the power of 26. So totally the time required is 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 years. This one is the brute force attack. And the next one is the cryptanalysis attack. It may be classified by how much information needed by the attacker. Ciphertext only attack, known plain text attack, chosen plain text attack, chosen ciphertext attack. Ciphertext only attack. A ciphertext C. Question: what is the plain text M? An encryption scheme is completely insecure if it cannot resist ciphertext only attacks. Known plain text attack. Given M1, C1, M2, C2 up to MK, CK and a new ciphertext C. Question: what is the plain text of C? And the next one, what is the secret key in use? Chosen plain text attack. Given M1, C1, M2, C2, MK, CK, where M1, M2, MK are chosen by the adversary, and now a new ciphertext C. Question: what is the plain text of C, or what is the secret key? Example: chosen plain text attack. In 1942, US Navy cryptanalysts discovered that Japan was planning an attack on AF. They believed that AF means Midway is land. The Pentagon didn't think so, so the US forces in Midway sent a plain message that their freshwater supplies were low. Shortly, the US intercepted a Japanese ciphertext saying that AF was low on water. This provided that AF is Midway. Chosen ciphertext attack. Classical ciphers. A plain text is viewed as a sequence of elements. Example: bits or characters. Substitution cipher. Replacing each element of the plain text with another element. Second one is transposition or permutation cipher. Rearranging the order of the elements of the plain text. Third one, product cipher. Using multiple stages of substitutions and transpositions. Case cipher. Earliest known substitution cipher. It is invented by Julius Caesar. Each letter is replaced by the letter 3 positions further down the alphabet. This one is the plain text A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K up to Z. Here we must note that F, G, H, I, J are highlighted by red. Like that P, Q, R, S, T are highlighted by the red color. Here cipher text, this one is the entirely a capital letter. So D, E, F, G, H after the 5 letters, again the red colors are highlighted. So this is the example. And next one is the OHIO state, RKLR, VWD, WH. This one is the sum of the example that are used in the K cipher.